Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to take a moment and subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. So I have just been posting a lot of relaxing videos lately, but not so much real content videos, which I wanted today to be. So you guys know that we have been moving. It's just been a lot going on, you all. But in the span of still creating videos for you, there are just some rooms that have really caught my eye this month, and I wanted to take a moment to share some of those with you. So I think this will be like a monthly series on the channel. Alright, so let's start with this room. This is, believe it or not, a smaller space-wise, like living room, you know, if you look at the actual footprint. Now it is tall, which is going to make it seem larger, but it is on the smaller side. But for me, it was something about that navy blue and that brown, that really beautiful worn leather look of these chairs that just really caught my eye. Not to mention this gorgeous coffee table as well. I really like this room. Love how that artwork above the mantle ties everything together. So this was another room that I thought was gorgeous. There's a lot of concrete in this room, a lot of coolness in this room. So I'm actually kind of surprised I liked it, but those gold accents definitely helped to warm it up. Not to mention that fireplace, and I love those two accent lamps as well. So this is another room that I'm so shocked to really like. I'm not a huge Scandinavian type fan, but this room is a fusion, Scandifornian. It's actually Scandinavian and California cool type vibe, but this room just gave me light, airy, relaxed, and I really liked it as well. I didn't really think I was going to be talking over all of it, but you guys know I love to talk to you all. This room was soft and feminine, like the artwork on the table, the really pastel roses, the soft throw pillows, the look of the sofa, the fur like ottoman or footstools. Like, I just love a very dainty, delicate, feminine room. Not a lot to say about this bedroom. Love that ceiling, but I'm just really obsessed with navy blue this month. I don't know what it is, but I'm really digging that color. Do you guys have a color that you're just really into at the moment? If so, comment down below, let me know. So another one that really surprised me, this modern coastal dining room. I don't think it was the view. I was going to say maybe it's the view, but it's actually the furniture, the placement, how light and clean and crisp that it looks. I really like this room as well, and I don't think I've ever really been into modern coastal room decor like that. Another example of the soft and feminine style that I love. I love those accent curtain rods though. They really kind of break up some of that feminine color and vibe and just put another different twist on it. And they match the picture frame, so that's a plus as well. This room is really unique to me. I love that accent chair, but it's almost perfectly imbalanced, if that makes sense. You have a lot of symmetrical as far as the picture frames against the wall, but then you have things that aren't matchy-matchy. Look at the throw pillows on the sofa. They're not identical. They don't mirror each other. And I don't know, in a way that just really spoke to me. And then, you know, next month I probably won't like it. That's how I am. So remember the video a few, I think, weeks back on Modern Organic. Ever since then, I have really been feeling this style. It's really, you know, clean lines, sleek lines, and then you're infusing that bit of nature in. Really feeling that right now. And from the response in the video, a lot of you all like that style as well. So I also posted a video about indoor-outdoor living, and this is what this room reminds me of. You have your little living room kind of tucked away. I love that sectional there. It just feels warm and inviting. But then you also have the area that you can open up to create like an outdoor living room, and I thought that was so nice as well. You guys know I'm in Oklahoma, so we can only use it about half the year. Maybe not so much during the cold weather, but I did think this was just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea why this room caught my eye. This is not my home decor style at all, but yet here we are. Here we are. I love the coffee table with those huge balls that balance the top. I don't know why I like this room. I just feel like I would love this in my home for about 3 weeks. And then after that, I would be redecorating. But I do love this room. Okay guys, so I had to show you this bedroom. As you see, is the transitional style. I would absolutely love waking up in this bedroom, and it looks like there's a balcony and the doors kind of open up. This is just gorgeous luxury living to me. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. Now the only problem I see is if you have plans on sleeping in, I think it would be pretty impossible in this room with all of that beautiful sunlight shining through. Alright, so let me know in the comment section which one of these rooms you liked. Did you agree with my picks that I have just been really feeling this month, or do you think I'm totally out of my mind? Either way, just let me know in the comment section. Let me know if your tastes are similar to mine, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.